Hello, my name is Ethan Lin. I'm doing a solo assignment on Draw Shapes. And so my project starts with importing the turtle module and library, and then you create a window in screen canvas, which the turtle will draw three shapes, being yellow filled hexagon, a light green filled octagon, and a pink filled triangle, each at different locations with different side lengths. This is referenced in the right side of part of the code on my screen here. First, you can see I import the turtle library, define my screen and my turtle's name, and then you set background color and the length and width. And then after you do that, you use variable of turtle and then dot shape, which references the shape, and then you lift the pen up using turtle.up, or in this case, character being Jaden, use Jaden.up, and then you use .go to, the first point being 80, 80. You put the pen down, you start to fill the color yellow, that's the first shape. You begin the fill for I in range of 6. You move forward 40, and then you go left 60 degrees. You end the fill. Then you lift the pen up again. You then go to negative 20, 20, and that's the second shape. You put the pen down, fill color again using light green, and it's using a light green filled octagon being 8 sides. So you begin the fill for I in range of 8. You move forward 30, go left 45 degrees, end fill. Lift the pen up, last shape, go to point 80, comma, negative 120. Put the pen down. You fill color, pink being pink triangle. You then start the fill using begin fill for I in range of 3. You move forward 70, then turn left 120 degrees. You end the fill, and then you use the pen up. I will demonstrate by going ahead and going into PyCharm and executing the program. PyCharm is going to open up. I open the draw shapes, and then I run the code. When I run draw shapes, it then goes that, and then that's the end of the program. Well, thank you all for listening. That's the end of my presentation.